Hi everyone, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary, and this is a simple stamping day. And today I want to show you how to make this scene note card. Okay, let's bring this up so you can see everything we're going to be using. First off, we're going to be using the My Meadow to make the scene and sending you thoughts, which is a celebration set for the saying. We are also going to be using Pool Party, Granny Apple Green, Old Olive, and Soft Suede inks. For the cardstock, we are going to be using a note card, a very vanilla note card, plus we are going to be using the Stamparatus. The Stamparatus is easier to use when you do a scene card. I've got this one all set up, but you can set it up yourself. It's fairly easy to do. I just got to remember. That one goes there. And this one goes here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I am going to put this at the 6-inch line, and I'm going to stamp that down. Then I've got this set up for different colorings. So the first one we're going to do is we're going to do Pool Party. And the reason I want to do Pool Party first, I'm going to do some, I've already set up, I've got the clouds and the stream, okay? And so I'm just going to do the Pool Party first. Once you set it up, you really could do any, but it was easier to do the full thing with the Pool Party first when I was making it. Okay, there I go. And then I am going to do the, let's see, the Hillcocks on the either side, and I am doing that with Granny Apple Green, because I want a bright, springy green. Okay, and I'm just putting that down just like that. Okay, now I'm going to switch over this one, and this, with this, I am doing all of the Soft Suede. Okay, so I'm doing the bridge, I'm doing the tree, I'm doing a few of the rocks. Okay. And there it goes. And then I'm going to flip it over, and I am going to do the Old Olive, which is just the tree leaves in the same. And I chose on this one with a great big wish of for happiness for you. Now using the Stamparatus is really easy, and it makes it pretty. See, like right there. I'm just going to flip this over and redo my Granny Apple Green. Because I missed a spot. And with the Stamparatus you can do that. There, it's all filled in. So now you've got a quick, easy card. It's a scene card. If you wanted, you could put somebody walking across there, or somebody over here, or you could put the wheelbarrow. There's a wheelbarrow there, or you could put the little cabana on there too. So thanks for, oh, remember to follow me on YouTube. Everything you need is down below. Please, I really would appreciate it if you purchase your Stampin' Up products from me so I can continue to make these great videos. Bye-bye. Have a good day.